I combined eggs with zucchini, and the result is incredible. In a blender, add 1 zucchini and 3 eggs. Blend well. You guys, this recipe is super healthy. It's ready in a couple of minutes. Try it at home. You won't regret it. Put the mixture in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of oil, 8 tablespoons of flour, and mix well. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add 200 grams of mozzarella cheese and fine herbs. Mix well. In a pan, drizzle some oil and spread it with a brush. With a tablespoon, take a bit of the mixture and put it in the pan. Keep doing it till the pan is full. If you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love tortillas. When one side of the tortilla turns golden, flip it and fry the other side. Repeat the same process with the rest of the mixture. And you guys, this recipe is perfect for breakfast or lunch. It tastes incredible. You will not be able to stop eating them. They're so easy to prepare. Everyone can do them. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!